Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marion. Glad you could join us today, and I hope you are going to enjoy the video. So it was raining around here and it caught us off guard. As you can see, our laundry has been rained on. But rain is a blessing, right? So we thank God for the rains. So back in the house, I want to do dishes. They are not allowed. These are the ones that we've used for breakfast. And also I'm not going to be doing much around the house because most of the work has been done by our house manager. So I'll just do dishes and a little bit of wiping around. And I'll also deep clean the kitchen sink. This is how the sink looks. It really needed a deep clean, and I used this scouring powder. The spellings are ATA. I don't know whether it's called ATA or something. And I can assure you it does an amazing job. Looking at how the sink turned out, it really gives the required shine, and I think you should try it out. With you, I'm heavy breathing. As for the cooker, I'm cleaning with one of my favorite cleaning stuff, Astonish. It removes grease and leaves the kitchen smelling really nice. Can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. My knees on the floor. I'm begging for you. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'm falling to the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow. In my bedroom, I want to organize my closet. The clothes are normally folded by our house manager. She normally folds and puts them aside so that I can come and arrange them in the closet. And this is normally not possible during weekdays because I leave the house at around 6 a.m. and I come back at around 8 p.m. So the only time I have to do this is normally on Saturdays or over the weekend. So this is what I want to do right now. And as you can see, the closet space is not big. So I'm not going to arrange the clothes in any particular order. But I normally put the blouses on the hangers. Some trousers I will fold and others will go in the hanger too. So there is no particular order being followed here. Head down the highway side, cold wind but it feels right. With you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. My knees on the floor. I'm begging for you. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'm falling to the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time So I'm done with arranging and it still looks kind of chaotic, but it works for me as long as I know where everything is. So this is very much okay for me. And I also arranged the shoe area, and that's how it looks. And I'm happy with that. I've gotten some potatoes. I happened to pass by the market and the supermarket also. So I got these ones from the supermarket. And the market I got melon, some okra. This is dania. These are minjis. That's a cabbage. Tomatoes, onions, and meat. This is how they funga meat around here. Yeah, so just a few things that we needed to get by. And now I want to start preparing our dinner. So for dinner today, I'm making baked potatoes, and they are well peeled, washed, and nicely cut into wedges. And I'm going to serve them with some beef stew. So I just want to spice them up, and I'm using ginger, garlic, and paprika powder, some salt, and oil. So I'll give them a good mix so that the ingredients can be well incorporated. And here I have my baking trays. So I arrange them here and place them in the oven for around 30 minutes. So our dinner is ready. The potatoes are well cooked and well flavored, and we are having them with some beef stew. So thank you guys for watching.